When you grow up, what do you want it to be? What did you really want to be?
Those tests on those tests that they gave you for your career.
You wanted to be a test?
No, the test. The test. You know those tests that they give you in elementary school for your career. Like you take the test and depending on what
you
get.
You like a firefighter, nigga.
They gave me farmer. I was always farming.
You're a farmer.
I was always farming. But I guess I'm harvesting all this shit because I make all the beats. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. My name is Pancho P.
My name is Langston Honey.
My name is Jaquel Martin.
My name is Kunle Aloide.
And we are YATU.
This bitch about to throw you back and forth. Saddle up, get a grip before you lose some more.
So we made Yee-Haw a while back ago. It was during a time where life for us was like pretty crazy. All of us were going through our own thing and we were just trying to figure out how to make it through. And you know, life sometimes will pull you in all different types of directions, and so it's really on how you flip your misfortune, and that's where the whole meaning of Yee-Haw came. Giddy up, this bitch about to throw you back and forth. Saddle up, get a grip before you lose support. Hold it down, ain't nobody that can stop all this force. Settle down, this not for those who cannot ride the course. Body the bloody shit, leave you looking funny, raindrops on your cheek, but you gotta keep it sunny, teeth fucked up, don't matter, homie, keep smiling, feet fucked up, don't matter, get another mile in. So basically, I was just in a place where I didn't really know what I wanted to do with life. I was just trying different things, and I just really couldn't find any balance. And I was wondering, like, why am I getting pulled in all these different directions? I just don't know where I'm going, so that's where the verse came from. Sweating from the pressure, it'll never let you catch a break, but a break, any answer left her. You, what you about to do? Fuck it up. I mean, really, life be fucking you up, but you just gotta keep moving through it. I mean, if you stop, then you're not gonna go anywhere, so no matter how fucked up your teeth get, no matter how fucked your feet get, I mean, you just gotta keep smiling and moving because nobody else cares. Hit them with the deuce and the smirk. Hate on the man, but they fucking with the work. Lead it face looking all skirt. My skin mesh well with the dirt. Ain't no point without perp. Ain't no growth without hurt. May need to hold a couple L's just to realize what it's worth. So yeah, this is when kind of like you kind of figure it out and you're like, fuck whatever gets thrown at you. You just do your thing, you know? Shit, you kind of roll with the punches. You get some dirt thrown on you, you good. It looks good. You kind of make it work for you, man. You come out on top, you know? You gotta take a couple L's to get some W's, man. 2 L's.
I ain't trying to be safe. I ain't trying to be praying. Ain't no clock on my watch. Buzz it beater when I play. Black Mamba with the fade. While writing the verse, I was kind of conflicted with a lot of things. It was really a stream of conscience, but like religion, where our careers could be going as far as music. I know I should get on my knees and pray, but I just lay there and just close my eyes sometimes, you know. I don't know, I probably should do it every day, but I be getting kind of lazy, you know what I'm saying? I want to sleep a little bit. Kobe's my favorite player. I think he's better than Jordan. All the hype beasts will say otherwise. Nah, they're not hype beasts, you know. But, I mean, he kind of the GOAT, but I just think Kobe was better. I think he just refined everything better. Why you smiling in my face? Can you not see the pain that we got tucked away? Smoking mirrors about to break off. Steady waiting for a day off. But you know it's going to take time. Put another record out and blow it every time. They don't even care till we sign. Woe is we only going one direction like Zayn Malik. I don't even care what they say to we unless they pay a fee. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, hey, praise is coming down on me. Sometimes we wear a mask and we don't like to, you know, show our true selves. And while everybody's laughing, sometimes I just be like sitting there and just be like, damn, kind of think about some bad stuff. But I don't want to make this depressing, no. But I don't know. We've been putting out music officially for like 3 years now, 4 years maybe. And, you know, sometimes them plays don't be hitting. They be looking like 100 plays, you know what I'm saying? They be hurting niggas' feelings. But but hopefully with this one, it wouldn't be a self-fulfilling prophecy. You know what I mean? So, like I said, it'll be like a million plays every day. You know, it's a new Old Town Road. You know what I'm saying?
Boys have 1 car, 2 car, 3 cars. How many times I should have been dealt with twice over? I might have been faded for the night over. I could be there walking the corridor, first name basis with the coroner, in the whipping, slipping, dipping, tipping, ripping, tripping. I started driving when I was 18. I've had about 6 cars since then. They just break down on me or I get into terrible accidents with them. I total them. I should not be behind the wheel. Jesus take the wheel for real. But I got out of a crazy car accident. I was totaled literally like 2 blocks away from my destination. I was supposed to meet up with the homies to go watch The Last Jedi. I'm gonna put on record it's not good. Simply for the fact that I almost died all the way, that's why. Clean from the scene where merely a slit wrist, and I get this. Impact made. I hope I'm not a scathed on me, ain't that crazy? Not even a stain on me. Lately been feeling like Luke Cage. Bullet through my back, it's a good day. Yeah, man, after this ordeal, I essentially got out of the car. The car did not survive, obviously. The car was completely totaled. And I just hopped out like there was nothing on me. The only thing that really was a lasting scar on me was this scar that I have on my wrist right below my watch. And I look at it every once in a while and it reminds me of where I was at that moment. And then also, you know, essentially that I guess I'm supposed to be here for a reason, you know, for some divine, you know, godly reason I'm still here. So I think I'm just here to just fulfill my purpose. So I felt like Luke Cage once I hopped out that car, really. You know, he was bulletproof, you know, he was invincible. And he essentially was somebody who could take a bullet in his back. And that often signified him saving somebody or rescuing somebody. At least when I die, I had a good race. At least now I know booty got good taste. In the morning, yeah, morning my body, meaning that I want to be involved with this party. Yeah. All right, so this is what y'all wanted to hear, right? This is what y'all came for. Yeah, that's really what it means, you know what I'm saying? Like, it is what it is. Take it or leave it. But it's also a double entendre because high school, somehow, some way, my nickname was Booty. So I have good taste. Take it how you want it. I've been in those type of situations several times. So it seems like death wants to party with me, you know, but we out here alive, you know what I'm saying? We doing our thing. We escaping death every single day. Y'all do the same thing.
You guys are now on all streaming platforms. Make sure I go bump that. Definitely bump it with, you know what I'm saying?
You're here, brother. Yee-Haw Now right now on all streaming platforms. Tidal, Spotify, and Apple Music. Yee-Haw Out right now. Go check it out on all streaming platforms.